This literature kit on Hattie Big Sky by Kirby Larson challenges students to make meaningful connections to the novel. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Identify the biggest obstacles for Hattie as she works on her homestead alone. Students translate common expressions used in the novel into their own words. Do some investigation into the state of Montana, including by what nicknames this state is known by. Research the possible origins of the expression doughboys, as Hattie uses it to describe American soldiers fighting in Europe. Students brainstorm who the possible antagonist of the story may be. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as putting yourself into Hattie's mindset to write a reply letter to Charlie. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3-color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Come up with possible solutions to problems from the novel. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.